Hello, I'm Christine Best. I'm a singer-songwriter and a wellness coach. My wellness journey began when I was about 7 years of age. And I think at the time I was driving my parents a little crazy with lots and lots of questions. I was an inquisitive kid. And the reason I say that is because they bought me a set of children's encyclopedias. The one thing that I can remember, well, there are a couple of things I can remember. The one main thing that I can remember from what I read in those encyclopedias was about blood and how there are different cells, white cells and red cells, and that they have different roles to play. And I had a cousin at the time who was a nurse, and I showed off my newfound knowledge to her, and she was like, oh, well, quite impressed. And there were a series of other things that happened throughout the years in my life, and it led me to run my own wellness business in Sydney, Australia, for over 20 years. Now, does it ever occur to you what goes on in your body? I mean, the body is a truly amazing creation. It has amazing processes that go on within it. And there are things you can do to help it to run better, to last longer, in better shape. Do you ever think about that? I mean, if you've got a car, do you polish it, and do you fill it with water and oil and coolant and whatever else goes in it? Do you give it grease and oil change and look after it to make sure it runs better for a longer period of time, and then you're going to get your money back at the end when you sell it? Well, your body is no different. It needs maintenance, needs looking after. And if you've got a good understanding of what it needs, you can do a better job of making it last your lifetime. Now, I have a lifetime of knowledge that I want to share with you to help you do that. So I'd love you to come to my wellness seminar that I'm running on the 16th of August. It runs from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. It's an intensive seminar, and I share a lot of information. Now, that's Australian Eastern Standard Time on the 16th of August, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. That's UTC plus 10. Now, I'd love you to come and get some valuable information so that you can reach your wellness potentials and live your best life. So you can that way. That QR code will take you to my wellness page, and this one will take you to my music pages. But either way, they're on the same website, but they just give you a direct link. So visit my wellness page, check out my seminar. There's a bit more information there, and there's a little bit of information about me, so you know who's going to be doing the presenting. And I'd love to see you there.